Hi, I'm Shane Green, and I'm here today to talk to you about Culture Hacker. So your first question is, what the hell is it? Well, Culture Hacker is our term that we use to define the reprogramming of the DNA or code of your corporate culture. Now, you might be going, well, why would I do that? My culture seems fine. Well, hopefully it is. But what we find is that for many organizations today, that the culture has to be transformed as they move from a very manufacturing and product-focused organization to one that accepts and gets more excited about what the customer values and is telling to them. The shift in the service economy today has been a struggle for many organizations. And while they might be saying that they are becoming more service-focused, unless the code that really makes that organization tick is transformed, then quite often a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of effort can be placed into something that will give you very little reward. And that's where I come in. I see myself as a catalyst for the modern service economy. My team and I will come in and start to look at the attitudes, actions, and habits that are currently within your organization and work out the gap between where it needs to be to satisfy its customers today. So the next question would be, so what makes me an expert? Well, my journey into culture hacking started about 20 years ago with some time at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company. Didn't realize it at the time, but I was immersed in probably one of the best service cultures out there today. In fact, it's still recognized for its world-class service. Not only did I learn about customer service, but culture and the importance of leadership. When we started SG International about 15 years ago, our focus was very simple: training. And I want to let you know that training is absolutely one of the critical mechanisms that will help transform your organization today. The problem is it can't do it alone. And over the years, we've learned that, and we've started to add in these new mechanisms, whether it's a focus on selection, understanding how recognition and performance management starts to play a part in your culture. We start to think about the orientation, what it's like when we first come on board, and things like leadership and how that's the single most important factor that drives great customer service today. But what we've really learned over the years is that to truly transform your culture, to truly become more customer focused, you need to socialize and immerse everybody into thinking about a whole new value system. A value system that focuses on the actions and interactions of people. Not things, but people. And once you start putting people into it, then you start to recognize the need for change. So what we've done over the years is start to become very good at understanding not only these mechanisms, but how to create a blueprint, how to recode these mechanisms within your organization without creating these great upheavals, without changing the very existence of your organization, but quietly going about and transforming the very way people do things. That's what Culture Hacker is. It's a process, and it's a process developed over many years that quite possibly is the most important thing your business should be focusing on today. How are you transforming into that service economy? How are you transforming your people to be more customer focused? Well, Culture Hacker has the answer. And that process, that DNA that makes our company successful is something that we want to pass on to you.